Menteri Badai Khmi ia katnat ka koi ka khia ka Sarkar Jilla ka Dr. Mezel Ampareen Lingdo ha ka khat nyau trek Kuala Lumpur Atiar Apsau ka lej ban Plie ia ka State Food Molecular Microbiology Laboratory ban nyngkong ha ka than chatai lam ingi ha Pasteur Hills ha ka ni ka program ha ka ching shisha la khmi linti bo Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Meghalaya kodrat ke sangma unwan she ka ni jingelang Henry Klempoi namar ka chingslam ka chimpeng kre ya ka chinglik phai ka president ka ri India ka Draupadi Murmu habakran na ka chingelang ka Dr. Ampareen kalaong bayamanta kinla ban test bat pensishai ki mar chingbam ki bami na la ka jalla bat la ban penpoi pat shekiwei ki banta ka perthai da ka chingple ka ne ka laboratory kalaong balangba ka laboratory kinla ban pentrikam ki buon KKA harangkat ka chingitrelang bat ka Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI.
Meghalaya now has come of age. We are now poised. We are now able to be certifying the products from the state of Meghalaya and making them available in racks across the globe. Now, as we have just heard, this new food molecular microbiology laboratory is here. We have been able to implement this entire system through central sector schemes with collaboration of FSSAI. And I hope that these sophisticated equipments, instruments that are going to be made available here for various testing will be able to give us the important result of food tested products and producers from the state of Meghalaya. Honorable Chief Minister would have been here with us on this very important day. Unfortunately, there have been some technical snags in the send-off of the Honorable President of the state of the country, and hence the delay has distanced him from this very important inauguration. But I, on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister, express our gratitude collectively to the entire team that has made the institution of this lab functional henceforth. We look forward to see all directorates of food testing working together on one platform. We also have another testing, we have also another enforcement directorate headed by Mr. Sangma. I'm yet to visit that facility. I'm also aware that we have paucity of experts in that office, and I will request our Principal Secretary, Sampath, to please kindly fast track the entire system so that all of these machines in this lab and the enforcement directorate, so that we can have a certification which is going to be productive for the state of Meghalaya. And I'm also very grateful that this lab will not only look at one aspect of food testing, but it will also be instrumental in the integrated disease surveillance project. We have to ensure that that is also attended to correctly by all officers here. So we know now that all local food businesses, food chain operators, hawkers on the streets, henceforth there will be a surveillance of all of the contents of your products to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya are consuming products which have been tested.